If you shoot with cameras that use the Sony NP-FZ100 battery, you know that power management is a constant part of the workflow. The llano 65-watt 4-slot charger simplifies this by charging 4 batteries simultaneously in one compact, travel-friendly unit. Unlike earlier 4-in-1 hybrid models, this is a dedicated charger. By removing extra features like card readers or power banks, Llano has made a tool that is easier to pack and more focused on what professionals actually need: fast battery turnaround. Design and performance with its included 4 batteries, its primary strength is the 4-slot design, allowing you to replenish an entire set of batteries at once rather than waiting on single or dual chargers. The case-style build features a magnetic storage lid to protect your batteries during transport. It also includes a digital display for precise status monitoring, which is far more helpful than standard blinking lights. In a crowded camera bag, this design reduces clutter and keeps your charged and depleted batteries clearly separated. The headline feature is the 65-watt fast charging. Llano claims it can fully charge 4 batteries in about 2.5 hours. This aggressive speed is perfect for high-pressure environments like weddings or long production days. It uses a flexible USB-C input and even supports reverse charging to power other devices in a pinch. Is it for you? This charger is a perfect fit for creators who carry multiple batteries and value organization. It's a major upgrade for event and travel filmmakers who need to minimize downtime. However, if you only own 1 or 2 batteries and usually charge them inside the camera, a 4-slot unit might be overkill. Final thoughts: the llano 65-watt 4-slot charger is a smart, specialized choice. To summarize the benefits: 4 slots for high-volume batch charging, 65-watt speeds to reduce downtime, a magnetic lid and digital display for better travel and monitoring. If you are tired of juggling separate chargers and want a cleaner, faster way to manage your power, this is a highly efficient solution for your